Hello, my name's Richard and welcome to Rick's Automotive. Please enjoy a short video of one of our fully prepared used cars. Thanks for watching. This is our Audi A1 1.4 TFSI cylinder on demand, and it's the Sportback S-Line model. The car's one private keeper from new, covered 25,000 miles with the benefit of a full Audi service history. It's got the balance of the Audi manufacturer's warranty running through until the 24th of April 2018. We're then going to follow this up with 6 months Platinum RAC warranty. It's the top of the range warranty that they offer, and 12 months complimentary RAC membership, including roadside assistance and home start. Just looking in through the car, you will see it's got the half leather S-Line embossed sports seats and the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. This car does benefit from a design package and a comfort package, part of which you can see there in the film is the open sky panoramic sunroof. This is a full sliding back, as you can see, and it's a tilting sunroof. As part of that design package, it does gain the rear privacy glass. That's factory fitted rear privacy glass. And hopefully you can see in the film the absolute gleaming paintwork on this car. We have all our cars professionally detailed. This has had a 3-stage machine polish and it's been hand canubra waxed. Moving around the back, this is a facelift A1, so it's got the new style LED daytime running lights and the LED rear lights. It's also got the rear parking sensors, which is part of the comfort package on this car. These have the standard 17-inch S-Line alloy wheels, and this sits on an excellent set of matching Bridgestone tyres all the way around. Hopefully the video is doing the car justice. It's absolutely gleaming. Part of the other extras that I've said, it's got the design and comfort pack. This does benefit from electric folding wing mirrors. It's got auto lights and rain wiper sensors. As I said earlier, rear parking sensors. It's got the self-dimming rear view mirror. It's got high beam assist, so if you have your high beam on, vehicles coming the other way will automatically be detected by the camera in the screen and dip your lights for you. Looking in here, it's got the pop-up screen. That's got LED interior light pack. It's got DAB radio. It's got Bluetooth music streaming with the Bluetooth phone preparation, and it's got the Audi AMI, which is the music interface where you can plug leads in which are for USB devices and for iPhones. It's also got air conditioning, it's got the ABS brakes and the start-stop system. Going to move around the front, you'll pick up there, as I said earlier, the LED daytime running lights, and this also benefits from the bi-xenon headlights. Absolutely stunning example. Really worth having a look. You will not be disappointed. Thank you very much for watching.